Hello, welcome to another Ozcode feature video. This time we're going to take a look at the Compare Snapshot feature, which lets you take a snapshot of an object graph and then compare it to another object of the same type, or even to the same object after it's been modified. It's a very simple feature, so I've got a very simple application to demonstrate it. A basic message handler. This handle method takes in a raw message, where all the properties are strings, converts it to a strongly typed message, and then if the message is public, sends it out over a hub. I know the first message works, so I'm going to set a breakpoint at the end of the method here and run the application. And now if I mouse over the raw parameter, I can inspect this variable, and I can right click here and from the context menu choose Compare and then Save Value. I can give the snapshot a meaningful name. I'm going to call it Raw That Worked and say OK. Now I want to compare that to an instance that doesn't work, so I'll set another breakpoint in my exception handler and continue execution. Now we have a message that hasn't worked. Again, I mouse over the raw parameter. Now I can right click and say Compare and choose Compare to Raw That Worked. Now I have a comparison inspector. I can expand out raw, and the properties that are different are highlighted in red. And I can see in the raw that worked I had a valid date time string, and in the raw that hasn't worked it says last Tuesday around tea time, which datetime_offset.parse probably can't cope with. This is a small object with not many properties, but if I was comparing a larger object I could choose Show Differences Only, and it would just show me the properties that had changed. So that's the Compare Snapshot functionality. Like I said, very simple, but very useful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the other Ozcode videos.